What's going on, guys? Derek here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. And I'm super happy to finally bring you a video and a product that I think will fix your solution for Apple. Or at least I'm hoping. So this company named Zens Liberty, I believe that's how you pronounce it. They are a product that's on Best Buy. So when I was on Best Buy's website, I was looking for a charger that could charge at least 2 devices at one time. So I have 2 phones, charge up both of the phones at the same time, plus my Apple Watch. Because finding something that connects with an Apple Watch is super hard, because the Apple Watch has a certain connection, and it's very hard to find a product that has that, plus 2 chargers for like phones or for your AirPods. But I have 2 phones, so I'm not really worried about the AirPods too much, because obviously there's stuff out there that's made for that. So I was looking for something that could possibly charge both my phones, the AirPods, and my Apple Watch all at the same time, and I'm hoping this works. Right now this is just the unboxing. I'll do a full review once I've used it long enough to where I can tell you if this is what you need to buy or not. I know Apple came out with their 2-pad design, which is really neat. It's Apple. It works, but I just needed something more. So with this, it's unique. So as you can see, I'll open up the Apple Watch charger first. So when you go to buy this, you'll have to buy 2 different things like I did. So as you can see from the front of the package, you have a little pad that's magnetic. I'll take off my Apple Watch here. See, it holds on there. It's magnetic. It's real. And actually this is pretty heavy too. Like, this is made out of metal. It's cold to the touch. I don't know if you guys can see it very well on the camera or not, but you can kind of see my imprint, which means it's metal. Then it looks like I've got some type of charger here. So this just looks like an extension for whatever reason if you needed it to charge it. So this plugs into one end. Then you have that for whatever reason if you wanted to extend it off of this, just so it was a little bit farther away. Up to you. Then honestly, no idea what that's for. Maybe in the directions will tell me, then nothing underneath. But that is for the Apple Watch. And now onto the big guy. So to give you price on this, so they have 2 different options. So they have this option, which you saw in the front of the box here. It's all black. And then they have a clear one. It has 16 coils built in. If you get the clear one, it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's, I want to say like $200 something. This one is pretty expensive, which is I think at $160, $170, but could change, could go on sale, and could be cheaper. So yes, this is probably more expensive than the Apple one, but I got this to do more. I needed to charge 2 phones at one time. I have my personal phone, then I have a work phone. So I needed that plus the Apple Watch, and maybe I can charge my AirPods like I said at the beginning of the video, but we will find out. So opening up the box, we got something in here because this side of it was heavy. It looks like, let's see here, I can get this out. You got your charging brick. It says USB fast charger 60 watts certified. My camera focuses it here. You can see that. USB Type-C, which is awesome. It looks like USB to USB Type-C, which is awesome. It's a nice braided cable. Feels like really robust. It doesn't feel cheap. Then I'm not gonna get these out, but you guys can see these are, oh, I gotta move it down more. As you guys can see, these are for other countries. So if you're in Europe or wherever, you'll use these. So that's super nice. It comes with these, so now you can take it when you travel, which is awesome for those people that do that. I don't travel, so I don't really have to worry about that. Then let's see, you got documentation here. Oh, they give you a card. It looks like you can get a 3-year warranty by registering online. So registering online can give you a warranty. Didn't know that. Good to know. And you got your booklet on how to use it, stuff like that. Nothing else in here. And now the most important thing. So off the bat, they give you this little thing that shows you all the coils. There's 16 of them. You can count them if you want, pause the video. And then you get to the best thing, hopefully, that you're looking for. Now this is pretty big. So just to give you a size reference, I have the new iPhone right here. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So lengthwise, it's a little bit longer. For width-wise, you can tell my phone's hanging off a little bit. Now the idea with 16 coils is that you can lay it however you want for it to be charged. Okay, is basically the idea of having 16. What Apple was trying to do, but do it in a nice small form factor like how Apple does it. It has to be perfect, or Apple won't use it. But Apple was trying to do some insane stuff with their technology, but I'm hoping this company has figured it out and we'll be okay. So on the bottom here, you got these rubber feet, which is awesome. It looks like you have some air vents. Obviously this is going to generate a lot of heat because you got a lot of coils and you're charging a bunch of stuff at one time. As you can see there, if it focuses in, I don't know if my camera will focus, but I'll tell you, it says 16 coil wireless charger with fabric. So input is 20 volts, 3 amps. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp. So this is also a metal bottom. If you guys can see it, hopefully. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it is leaving a mark on my fingertip because it's cold. In the front here, you got 2 more vents for heating, nothing on the side. On the back, you got your USB Type-C port for charging. Then you also pull this back here. You're gonna have your Apple Watch holder. So all you're gonna do is just plop this in here. If it goes in. Hey, just a little update. I figured it out. So you just have to put it in at an angle so it would fit right in. So you just can't go straight down for whatever reason. You have to go in at an angle, and it went in, so it works perfect now. But just to let you guys know, I was struggling. The struggle bus is real, but it's in now. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.